In the series of stories of super hit films shown on Khabar Tak, today I have brought you all a story of film Trishul. This film was brought on the silver screen in 1978, and the director of this film was Yash Chopra. The lead role of this film was played by Amitabh Bachchan, Sanjeev Kumar, Shashi Kapoor, and Hema Malini, and the role of villain is played by Prem Chopra. Besides these, Sachin, Wahida Rahman, and others also played an important role in this film. This film had many good dialogues. माँ, मैं तुम्हारी आंखों में आंसू नहीं, हिम्मत देखना चाहती हूँ बेटे, हिम्मत. Mother, I don't want to see tears in your eye, my son. I want to show reflection of courage into your eye. यह दुनिया बड़ी तंग दिल है बेटे, यह कमजोरों को जीने नहीं देती. इसलिए कमजोर मत बनना मेरे बेटे, कमजोर मत बनना. This word is very mean-minded, my son. This don't let the weak person live. Don't be weak. मेरे पास तुम्हारी शक्ति, तुम्हारा आशीर्वाद है माँ. दुनिया चाहे एक तरफ से दूसरी तरफ हो जाए, लेकिन तुम्हारा बेटा कमजोर नहीं बनेगा. I have strength and your blessing, my mother. The world might be lopsided, but your son will never weak, never weak. This film is also famous for its melodious song and beautiful dances. The music director of this film is Khayyam, and the sound was given by the legend singer Lata Mangeshkar, Kishore Kumar, Yesudas, and other, a few of which I buzz for you. आपकी महकी हुई जुल्फों को कहते हैं घटा, आपकी मद भरी नजरों को कमल कहते हैं, आपकी मद भरी नजरों को कमल कहते हैं. मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं, तुमको भली लगती हूँ, इसे प्यार भरी नजरों का अमल कहते हैं. मुहब्बत बड़े काम की चीज है, काम की चीज है, मुहब्बत बड़े काम की. कहते डरती हो, दिल में मरती हो, जाने मन तुम कमाल करती हो. वो कभी कस में न तोड़े, उसे जीते जी न छोड़े, जो यार अपना चाहे रोके दुनिया सारी, उस पे कर दूं सब कुछ भारी, जो प्यार अपना. गपुच गम गम, चिक 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 कम कम, गपुच गम गम, ए सनम हम दोनों प्यार करें जन्म जन्म. गपुच गम गम. Now let us tell you the whole story of film Trishul. The story of the film Trishul revolves around the love between Rajkumar Gupta, played by Sanjeev Kumar, and Shanti, played by Wahida Rahman, through music. Rajkumar Gupta works as an engineer in the construction company of Seth Deen Dayal, played by Manmohan Krishna. Seth Deen Dayal is very impressed with Rajkumar Gupta's working style and often calls him to his office to discuss various issues related to the company. One day, Seth Deen Dayal asked Rajkumar Gupta to bring his mother to the party being organized at his office tomorrow. Rajkumar Gupta brings his mother to Seth Deen Dayal's party. After introducing his mother to Seth Deen Dayal, he goes to meet another architect, telling Seth Deen Dayal that he will talk to him during the party. Here, Seth Deen Dayal reveals to Rajkumar Gupta's mother, played by Sudha Chopra, that he likes Rajkumar Gupta very much and wants to marry his only daughter Kamini, played by Geeta Siddharth, to Rajkumar. He also wants to make him a partner in his company of 50%. Unaware of this, Rajkumar Gupta continues to meet his girlfriend Shanti as before and wants to marry her and settle down. One day, when both of them were having tea, Shanti said to him, "How long will we keep loving each other in this way? Why don't you talk to your mother about your marriage with me?" Accepting Shanti's wish, one day he brings Shanti to his mother and expresses his love for Shanti and his desire to marry her. His mother also openly praised his decision, and then Rajkumar Gupta asks Shanti to touch her mother's feet. The mother also blessed her and asked the Prince Rajkumar to drop her to her home. When the Rajkumar leaves Shanti and returns to his home, he finds his mother in different form. She does not consider his decision to be right, though she finds no faults in Shanti and describes her as a girl having the qualities to be a good wife and daughter-in-law. She wants the Rajkumar have immense wealth which Shanti cannot have since Shanti is a clerk. She talks about marrying Rajkumar to Kamini Gupta, Seth Deen Dayal's daughter. Then Rajkumar asks, "When did such thoughts come to you in your mind from?" On this, she says that this idea of mine is not mine but of Seth Deen Dayal, and he himself told me about your and Kamini's marriage and giving 50% share in his business. Unwillingly, Rajkumar marries Seth Deen Dayal's daughter Kamini due to this mother's insistence. At this grand party, when Seth Deen Dayal calls a meeting of the director of his company and talks about transferring 50% share of company to R.K. Gupta, he is given a visiting card sent by Shanti. On seeing this card, he leaves the meeting and goes to meet Shanti. Shanti congratulates him on his marriage and reproaches him that you did not even inform me about your marriage. She starts returning to her home from there, but then she turns back and tells Rajkumar that she is going to be the mother of his child. After this, she goes to her home. Meanwhile, Rajkumar Gupta comes to the meeting and signs the agreement for getting 50% share, and after this his goods start to Shanti. Shanti is here packing her clothes to leave the city. Seeing Shanti packing her clothes standing at the door, Rajkumar Gupta asks her, "Won't you allow me to come inside?" Then Shanti asks him to come inside. Here Rajkumar Gupta tells Shanti that you will not understand the compulsion under which I had done this marriage. To this, Shanti says that while working you got the two paths and you choose one of them. In such a situation, now I will walk on the remaining path. However, the Rajkumar Gupta shows sympathy towards Shanti and proposes to take her responsibility of providing for her stay in the same city, food and upbringing of the children. On this, Shanti says that you are saying all these things to free yourself from the guilt of your soul. In such a case, I don't need any sympathy from you. Wherever I live, I will give birth to this child as a symbol of my love and will raise him and make him a worthy person. After this, she comes to another city and gives birth to her children. She names this child Vijay, whose role is played by Amitabh Bachchan. She raises herself and Vijay by doing hard labor. She puts Vijay to work from a very young age so that work never became a burden for him and he always kept working to become big. After growing up, Vijay started working in a mine. Here he works in blasting dynamite. His method of blasting is such that his friends are stunned to see him and say that it does not seem that you are exploiting dynamite, rather, it seems that you are playing a game. To this, Vijay says that he has been playing with danger since childhood and now the danger itself runs away when it sees him. Vijay was talking to his friends when a boy told him that his mother was ill. Vijay rushed there. Here he found his mother lying on deathbed. Vijay felt relieved, and his mother put her hand on his shoulder and encourages him. She reminds him that this world does not allow the weak to live, and I do not want you to be weak. I have dreamed of making you what you are, and I hope you will fulfill that dream. Saying this, she hands Vijay's memento and dies with her hand on his shoulder. While lighting the funeral pyre of his mother, Vijay remembers all the promises he had made to his mother, and then he takes a train from there to Delhi, saying that until now he was held in by his mother's love, but now he is coming to take revenge for the betrayal done to his mother. Here he sees the luxurious office of Rajkumar Gupta. Rajkumar Gupta is very busy with his here working. Then he gets a call from his wife Kamini. Kamini reminds him that today their son Shekhar Gupta, played by Shashi Kapoor, is returning from London. He won't go to the airport to receive him. On this, he talks to his secretary Geeta, played by Rakhi, about his appointments for that day. Geeta tells him that till tonight he has some program or other to meet many important people, including the board of directors. Then he calls his wife Kamini and tells her that he will not be able to get free time today. So Babli, that is Kusum Gupta, played by Poonam Dillo, takes him to the airport to pick up Shekhar. His wife agrees to this and he again gets busy with working. At the scheduled time, the plane in which Shekhar is coming lands at the airport. Shekhar's sister Babli sees him and shouts, Bhaiya, Bhaiya, but Shekhar is seen flirting with a girl named Kavita. Kavita understands his feelings, but until his receiver arrives there, till then, to pass time and get her luggage transported, she keeps flirting with him, and as soon as the receiver arrives there, she takes her luggage and goes away with him. Later, Shekhar feels ashamed of his fake smartness. Then he finds his sister Babli and mother Kamini in front of him. Then he himself tells the reason for his father's absence, that his father must be busy with his business work. Then after coming home from there, he goes to RK Construction to meet his father. Here his father tells him that this is your office. Then he tries to show off his nobility to saying that the business management study which I forcibly sent you to London will be very helpful for you today. Then he tells Shekhar that a piece of land which he had bought 5 years ago for 3 lakhs and which is worth around 5 lakhs now has been encroached upon by a crook. On this, Shekhar says that the crook has encroached upon it and you didn't do anything. On this, R.K. Gupta tells that he has filed a case against him, but it has been 6 years and the court has still not been able to get that land back to me. Meanwhile, Vijay comes to Geeta sitting at the receptions of RK Construction and talks about meeting with RK Gupta. Geeta tells him that to meet RK Gupta, one has to take an appointment from him in advance. In such a situations, you will not be able to meet him today. Then Vijay Gupta, with great confidence, advises her to call him once and talk. On this, when she calls RK Gupta says that he does not have time. Then Vijay takes the phone from Geeta and tells Rajkumar Gupta that you could not spare 5 minutes for me and this will result in a loss of rupees 5 lakh. Then R.K. Gupta asks Geeta to send him there. When Vijay reaches R.K. Gupta's room, R.K. Gupta stares at him and asks him the reason for the visit. Then Vijay tells him about the land that you bought it in and is occupied by a criminal. I want to take it. On this, R.K. Gupta tells him that despite the ongoing case on the land has not been vacated yet and is still in the possession of the criminal, and that is its current. Vijay still agreed to buy this land. Vijay says that he does not have any money in his pocket right now, but he will pay back his rupees 5 lakh within 15 days. Then R.K. Gupta calls his other secretary Bhandari there and asks him to prepare a contract. It is mainly mentioned in this that in case Vijay does not pay rupees 5 lakh for this land within 15 days, a case of fraud will be filed against him. After signing the contract with RK Construction, Vijay comes to the land and asks the gang leader to vacate the land by 11 a.m. the next day. Enraged by this, the gang leader punches Vijay, due to which blood starts coming out of his mouth, but Vijay wipes the blood and asks him to remember that they would to vacate the land by 11 a.m. next day. From here, Vijay approaches a financier, Balwant Rai, played by Prem Chopra, and offers him rupees 5 lakh for the land. Balwant Rai asks him if he is sure that criminal will vacate the land for him. On this, Vijay repeats the same thing again till tomorrow at 11 a.m. On this, Balwant asks Vijay that how will he return the money to him. Then he says that he will build a luxurious building on this land, and by selling it, he will repay the money and will also humiliate RK Construction. The next day, little before 11 a.m., when this gang of criminals is drinking alcohol at their den, most of them keep looking at their watch and says that it is about to be 11 o'clock. Then the gang leader says that he will not come because he also loves his life. These people have not even finished their speech when Vijay comes out of an ambulance, and looking at these people, he says that it is 11 a.m. Then the leader of the criminals punches him hard, but Vijay still tells him that it will be 11. After this, a fight breaks out between the criminals and Vijay, and in the end, Vijay beats up everyone and forces them to run away from there. After this, Vijay goes to RK Construction with a check of rupees 5 lakh. When he bumps into Shekhar, Geeta then introduces Shekhar to Vijay and tells him that Shekhar is RK Gupta's son. Vijay then starts giving the check to Shekhar. At first, Shekhar refuses to take the check, saying that it is father's check and it should be given to father only. But when Vijay says that for him both the things are same, whether the check is given to father or son, then Shekhar takes the check and Vijay leaves from there. When his father comes, Shekhar tells him, Vijay, that he is a promising young man. On this, his father RK Gupta tells that he is not only a promising, but the way he is committed towards his work indicates that he will definitely become a big man one day. And look, with just 10 days left, he has returned the loan amount given by giving a check. After this, Vijay removes the board of RK Construction from the vacated land and puts up the board of Shanti Construction there. One day, a boy named Ravi, played by Sachin, comes to Shekhar's office for a job. Shekhar looks at his resume and says that everything is good, but he does not have any experience. Ravi says that he will get experience only when someone gives him work, and that is why he has come here. Impressed by his words, Shekhar hires him. Then Ravi happily goes to meet his girlfriend Kusum Gupta, who is Shekhar's sister. Here, Kusum Gupta tells him that if you had taken a recommendation from me, you would have got this job easily. On this, Ravi says that he does not want to work on the basis of recommendation. So he took the job on the basis of his qualification. While working, he will forget that he is your lover, and while loving you, he will forget that he is an employee of your father's company. One day, Sekhar goes to another company for business purposes to talk to its general secretary. Here, when he sees Seetal, played by Hema Malini, as general secretary, he manages to befriend her due to his talkative nature and then takes her for the lunch break. Slowly, both of them start loving each other. In order to defeat RK Construction, Vijay takes its important people on his side and gathers its inside information, especially the amount of tenders submitted by it and other important information. In this sequence, one day he gives lift to Geeta in his car while she is on her way to her office. But as soon as he questions Geeta about the amount to be paid in the tender taken by RK Construction, Geeta gets angry and she stops the car and gets off the car, saying that not everyone is for sale. Meanwhile, another important person of RK Construction, Bhandari, played by Parvez, is being harassed by a good named Gangu. He exports money from Bhandari by threatening to reveal the secret of Bhandari that he is keeping another woman here apart from his wife and family. One day when Gangu had just extorted money from Bhandari, then Vijay comes to Bhandari and talks to Gangu to give him relief. In return, he puts a condition before Bhandari that he will reveal to him the amount paid by RK Construction in various tenders, so that he can get the contract by submitting the tender at a lesser amount. After Bhandari agrees, Vijay goes to Gangu's hideouts and beats him up and stops him from coming in Bhandari's way. After this, Bhandari starts telling him that the secrets of Raj Construction Company, due to which Shanti Construction benefits and RK Construction starts incurring losses. One day, Geeta is doing marketing with Bubbly, that is Kusum. When Vijay reaches there, Vijay asks Geeta to clear her mind. He says that by betraying your company and refusing to work for me that day, you have increased your respect in my heart. By that time, Bubbly has already bought the goods. Geeta introduces Vijay to Bubbly and tells her to go and sit in the car and pay the bill herself, and then goes to pay the bill. But when she is returning, RK Gupta sees her with Vijay, due to which he suspects that Geeta might be the one informing Vijay about the amount of his tender. One day, Bhandari comes to Vijay's office and talks about giving him some new information, giving him a copy of the tender prepared for that work by RK Construction. He takes some money in return. Due to the leakage of the tender amount, once again the contract is taken out of the hands of RK Construction and goes into the hands of Shanti Construction. RK Gupta blames Geeta for this and calls Geeta and accuses her of this and immediately dismisses her from the office without paying heed to his explanation. After this, when Bhandari meets Vijay regarding a third plan, Vijay asks him that by now RK Gupta must have not got a linkage that confidential information is being leaked from his office, especially information related to tenders. On this, Bhandari says that it is happening, but I am also a seasoned player. No one has any doubts about me. On the contrary, Geeta, who has no role in this case, has been dismissed on this charge without any reason. Hearing this from Bhandari, Vijay gets angry and almost drags him to RK Construction's office, where RK Gupta and Sekhar are talking about something. He exposes Bhandari and declares Geeta innocent. On this, RK Gupta asks Vijay that you were benefiting from Bhandari's work, then why did you reveal it? On this, Vijay says that something are above profits and loss. You will not understand these things. Saying this, Vijay goes to Geeta and convinces her to work in his company. Geeta and Vijay work together with full dedication, due to which Shanti Construction starts progressing rapidly. Meanwhile, love blossoms between Geeta and Vijay. Vijay invites all the important people of the city to celebrate the second anniversary of Shanti construction. He especially invites R.K. Gupta through Geeta. Here, R.K. Gupta expresses his gratitude towards Vijay by saying that the leak of those two big tenders played a very important role in his success. To this, Vijay says that he has many other debts to R.K. Gupta which he will not rest until he clears them. Then Shekhar comes there and says that if Vijay is saying so, then he will definitely repay it. However, he does not know anything specific about the debt being talked about by Vijay. Here, R.K. Gupta asks Ravi to bring something. When he brings it, he asks Ravi to give some of the book to Kusum. Under this pretext, Ravi and Kusum starts expressing their love. Vijay keeps thinking of harming and humiliating Rajkumar Gupta and his family, not only at his company RK Construction but also everywhere. In this sequence of the one hand, a person buys a piece land in an auction by paying a price much higher than its actual value. While on the other hand, after seeing the loving picture of Shekhar and Sheetal in the banquet organized on the occasion of the second anniversary of his company, he decides to destroy her life as well. However, Geeta, who is present there, opposes his decision. Despite this, Vijay gets involved in breaking their friendship. In this sequence, he meets Sheetal and talks to her about laying the foundation stone on his newly bought land. Sheetal is refusing this, but then Shekhar comes there and convinces her for this. She lays the foundation stone, and after that she also dances with Shekhar in the party that is held there. One day Vijay reaches Sheetal's house with the intention of interfering in the love between Shekhar and Sheetal and breaking it. He wants to take Sheetal with him to a hotel when Shekhar arrives there. At that time, he is completely covered in dust due to coming from his duty. Then Sheetal asks him to get ready and come. Meanwhile, Vijay brings Sheetal to a hotel saying that till instead of standing here, then Vijay sees Shekhar's car keys in the car. He takes the keys without Sheetal's noticing. Here in the hotel, Vijay is having breakfast with Sheetal, drinking tea, and Shekhar is desperately looking for his car key. Vijay wants to talk to Sheetal about something special, but when Shekhar comes there, he keeps this thing into himself. Shekhar, who is talkative by nature, asks Sheetal to make tea. While Sheetal is making tea, he looks around and finds his key there. After this, he drops the tea cup and takes the key from Vijay and places it on the table. However, instead of revealing the matter, he suppresses it by saying that his memory has become weak this day and he might have put this key in Vijay's pocket. Then Vijay understands the whole matter and gets up from there and leaves, saying that he has some urgent work. When Shekhar talks to Sheetal about marriage, Sheetal also agrees to it. Here, when Vijay is going in his car, Kusum, that is Bubbly, passes by their driving car very fast. After saying hi to Vijay, she had just gone a little ahead when her car meets with an accident. Then Vijay takes her to her home. Here, seeing Kusum's condition, both her mother Kamini and her father Rajkumar Gupta are distraught. After this, R.K. Gupta thanks Vijay and shakes his hand, and his hand gets bloody. When Rajkumar Gupta asks about this, Vijay tells that while picking up Kusum, that is Bubbly, the car made a cut and blood oozes out. This is not a big deal. Then Kamini talks about bandaging him. At first, Vijay's mother refuses to get bandaged, but when Kamini talks about him being equal to his mother, he agrees. After bandaging, Kamini asks him to change the bandage quickly. This will help him heal his wound quickly. But Vijay says that these wounds will not heal quickly and leaves the palace. One day, Balwant Rai comes to Vijay and congratulates him for his great success. But in this sequence, when he talks about not letting R.K. Gupta leave even as a dog, then Vijay's anger flares up and he slaps Balwant Rai a couple of times. Balwant Rai threatens him with dire consequences and leave from there. Meanwhile, R.K. Gupta is warning his wife Kamini to control Kusum, that is Bubbly. While talking about sacking Ravi from the job, he tells Kamini to find another wife for Kusum, that is Bubbly, as soon as possible. After this, when Kusum goes to Geeta and tells her this sad story, then before Geeta can tell him anything, Vijay asks her to leave her father's house and takes own decision, or else forget Ravi's love. Vijay also talks about letting her stay in the house in case she loves her father's house. Then Bubbly, that is Kusum, leaves from there saying that her father cannot interfere in his matter because she has grown up. Both Shekhar and Sheetal gets engrossed in and dance and music. Meanwhile, Administrator P.L. Burma, played by Iftar, calls contractors in the city to inform them about the tender process for a scheme to build houses on government land. Vijay asks Geeta about P.L. Burma, that what kind of person he is, so that by bribing him, the tender can be got in one's name. To this, Geeta says that he is very honest person, and if he talks about bribe, then the work will get spoiled instead of getting it done. On the other hand, when R.K. Gupta tells his secretary about giving a bribe of rupees 30,000 to P.L. Burma, he stops R.K. Gupta from doing so, saying that he is totally against bribery, and if this happens, his work may get spoiled. But R.K. Gupta tells him something new. He takes rupees 30,000 and goes to Burma's office and introduces himself as Vijay's man. After this, Burma, thinking R.K. Gupta's secretary to be Vijay's man, chases him away from there and also gives this contract to R.K. Gupta. When Vijay goes to P.L. Verma to protect against this, he also sends him back, justifying his action by talking about the bribe sent by his man. When Vijay returns home, he is very angry seeing this. Geeta says that if he accepts defeat, then what will be lacking in him? He already has a lot of money. Then he tells her that he has bought the land around the plot at a high price and he will build a building there and save it at half of the price. Geeta tells him that this will completely drown him. Then Vijay says that the only reason he had come here was because of his mother's memories and his desire for revenge. In such a situation, she will leave here empty-handed, just like he came here empty-handed. During the same time, he also tells Geeta the story of his mother. After this, he gives an advertisement about this in the newspaper. When Shekhar sees this advertisement, he takes it to his father R.K. Gupta. Then R.K. Gupta explains to him that not only will Vijay drown, but all our money will be also get stuck in it. And this way, both of them will drown. On this, Shekhar says that Vijay is very intelligent, then why is he doing this? Then R.K. Gupta repeats the same thing and tries to know why is he doing this. Seeing the advertisement of Shanti Constructions, all the financiers who financed R.K. Gupta came to him to ask for their money, and he talks to his cashier about returning this money. In such a situation, R.K. Gupta goes to Balwant Rai and gives him 1.5 lakh rupees, promising not to let Shanti Constructions work happen in any way. Promising not to let Shanti Constructions work happen in any way. However, when Balwant Rai talks about getting Vijay killed by his goons, R.K. Gupta refuses and he tells him that he does not supply cement to Shanti Construction because he is the biggest cement supplier. Vijay gets into trouble. Balwant Rai has also the contracts for cement. He is selling cement to others in black, but he is not selling cement to Shanti Construction even in black. After this, Vijay informs ACB and raids Balwant Rai's cement warehouse. The police is searching for him, and then he decides to get Vijay killed by his goon. Here Ravi comes to Vijay, and Vijay convinces him to come and marry Babli tomorrow morning, and he will help him completely in this. Kusum, that is Babli Gupta, sneaks out of her house at night to come to Vijay's house with the intent of marrying Ravi in the morning. Her brother Sekhar sees her doing this. When he asks, she talks about going to Vijay's house in the morning to marry Ravi. On hearing this, she is going to Vijay's house. Sekhar angrily asks her that she is going to the house of Vijay, who is busy destroying his house. Saying this, he catches her hand and brings her home and locks her in a room, and then comes to Vijay fuming with anger. Vijay asks him to sit down, but Sekhar instead asks him to go somewhere else so that he can talk about something specific. As soon as they both come out, Sekhar starts beating Vijay, saying that he is ruining his house after the business. After this, Vijay also beats him. When both of them are completely exhausted in this fight, Geeta comes there and tells Sekhar that Vijay is also the brother of Kusum, that is Babli, and then she tells everything to Sekhar. After knowing everything, Sekhar is coming to Vijay with Babli when Rajkumar Gupta comes and stands in front of him and warns both of them that once you leave the house, it will not be possible for you both to come here again. But despite this threat, both of them leave from there and go to Vijay's house. Immediately after the incident, Balwant Rai comes to R.K. Gupta, who is very angry with Vijay at this time. Balwant Rai then asks him to arrange 5 lakh rupees so that he can eliminate Vijay and clear the way for R.K. Gupta to move forward. Balwant Rai kidnapped Ravi, who is coming to get married. Then he informs Kusum Gupta, that is Babli, over the phone that Ravi is in his custody. If you want to get Ravi, send Vijay to Pragati Maidan. When Babli informs Vijay about this, Vijay goes along towards Pragati Maidan. Meanwhile, R.K. Gupta is going through a period of turmoil, and he comes to Vijay's house to inform him about the impending danger. Here he sees Shanti's photo hanging in the wall. Then he apologizes to Shanti for his action and promises to bring Vijay back safely at any cost. When Vijay reaches Pragati Maidan, he finds Balwant Rai holding Ravi hostage, which informs Balwant Rai about his arrival and asks him to release Ravi. On this, Balwant Rai says that he will release Ravi, but first he is to pay off his debt. Saying this, Vijay slaps him hard to his face, and then he starts beating up repeatedly while talking about paying ₹4 for this suit. Just then Sekhar arrives there, and both of them start fighting with Balwant and his goons. However, in the process, Balwant ties both Vijay and Sekhar to a pillar and waits for R.K. Gupta to arrive. When R.K. Gupta arrives here, Balwant takes ₹5 lakh and hands over a knife to R.K. Gupta, asking him to use it to free his son from the shackles and kill Vijay. Balwant Rai gets angry at R.K. Gupta, saying that see how Vijay has brought your whole family on this side and is ruining you. After this, R.K. Gupta goes to Vijay with a knife, but then he throws the knife from there. He comes back and to Balwant Rai and says that after giving ₹5 lakhs, now it is my turn to kill him. And then he takes the pistol from Balwant Rai in the course of conversation. Balwant Rai asks R.K. Gupta to kill Vijay with that revolver, but R.K. Gupta refuses to kill Vijay, saying that Vijay is his son. On this, Balwant Rai says that you may forgive him by considering him as your son, but he will never leave Vijay. On this, R.K. Gupta says that he will not be able to do anything like this because the police will arrest him. Meanwhile, Balwant gives a strong blow to R.K. Gupta's hands with his foot, due to which the revolver falls from his hands and falls on the ground. Balwant immediately takes the revolver and shoots at Vijay. But before the bullet hits Vijay and kills him, R.K. Gupta comes in between and this bullet hits him. R.K. Gupta gets seriously injured due to the bullet shot. Meanwhile, Vijay and Shekhar together confront Balwant and his wounds. Then Ravi arrives there with the police. Then the police arrest Balwant and take him away from there. Here R.K. Gupta, who was lying injured, dies while talking about living with his two sons Vijay and Shekhar and apologizing to Vijay for his misbehavior he had done with him. Then everyone together performed last rites of R.K. Gupta and forgetting their mutual animosity starts living like a family. Apart from this, wherever earlier there were hoardings of Shanti Construction or Raj Construction, now in their place boards of Shanti Raj Constructions are found because now these two companies have been merged into one and they are living happily.